Hello friends, let us see how to make Karela Sabzi or bitter gourd stir fry. Here are the ingredients. We need some chopped bitter gourd, onion, curry leaves, cumin powder, coriander powder, jaggery powder, grated coconut, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, dry red chilies, turmeric powder, red chili powder and hing. Heat a kadai and add oil. After oil gets heated, add mustard seeds and let them flutter. Now add cumin seeds. Add curry leaves. Add dry red chilies. Add asafoetida or hing. Stir nicely. Add chopped onion and saute till onion turns brownish. Now add chopped bitter gourd and little water and stir nicely. Add cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder and mix nicely. Cover and cook till the bitter gourd turns soft. After bitter gourd is cooked, add jaggery powder, grated coconut, salt to taste and mix well. Cook till all the water is absorbed. Delicious Karelachi Sabzi or bitter gourd stir fry is ready. Serve with rice, roti or chapati. If you like this recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.